I don't know why this feels so nice to me. Y'all, I low-key should be embarrassed just flashing these armpits to y'all like this, but realistically, I'm just not. So today we're going to wax them. I've already sprayed on this lidocaine spray. It has 40% lidocaine in it. Basically, it's just a numbing spray just to make the process easier. Realistically, I don't even know if this works for real, but I spray it every time just in case. Then I just have a regular wax pot that I got from Amazon. Right now it's on $169. I don't know if that's good or not, but it's gonna get the job done. They say that you want the consistency to be like honey, sweet like honey and sweet like me. So I don't know, that's giving honey to me. What I don't want is for it to be too hot, because one time I literally burned my armpits off and I don't need those issues anymore. So yeah, before you put the wax on, you want to do some baby powder just in case like you're sweating, especially because it's under your arms, and this is gonna allow the wax to stick better. Y'all, low-key, I'm really about to like stop messing with baby powder because I heard that it was causing like, I don't know, cancer or something, or it has some asbestos in it. I don't know. We don't need none of those issues. So I think I'm gonna switch over to cornstarch, but this is fine for right now. I am by no means a professional. Matter of fact, I get my body waxed professionally, but my armpits, they just grow like wildflowers. So I can't wait to my waxing appointment for these armpits ever. So what you want to do is you want to take this little guy and like twirl it. I'm not good at the twirl, but twirl it so it's on the stick, and then simply just, ooh, let me get this together because didn't nobody tell that wax to be way right here? Like what? Personally, I like to like put it lower than the hair. You just wait until this little guy dries and then you pull it off. Hey, hey. I've been practicing making my ass clap. I mean, we're not good at it. Hold on. I'm not good at it, but we practicing. All right, y'all, so I think this is fully dry. So you're gonna take your little guy and kind of like pick up the edges. And it should be coming up really easy because we put the powder underneath. Once you get all the edges up, you count to 3 and you rip it off. So 2, 3. Guys, look. Can y'all see that? That is disgusting, but it is so satisfying. Look at that. Yes. But that was really good for a first go round. I am gonna do like a little clean up strip. In a minute, I'm gonna hop in the shower and just scrub the excess off, but you see the vibes. It's gonna be a little red, honestly, because like my skin is sensitive naturally, but it does not hurt at all. Low-key, that lidocaine really does help, and so does that powder. Before, and after. So let me do the other one. I'm gonna come back and show you guys both of them. I don't know why this feels so nice to me. That's so weird, like a little peach or a kiwi or something. Period. All right, y'all, so here is the final result. Honestly, I love it. It's so smooth, you know. Anyway, so this is your cue to wax your armpits at home. Period. Bye.